Welcome! In this My Child at School Parent Guide, you will learn how to download and install the MCAS app on your mobile device and activate your account. For this tutorial, you will need a mobile device, access to your emails, and the postcode for your child's school, which you can find on the website. First, open your App Store. Then search for MCAS and tap on Install. Now open the My Child at School app and tap on the Activate button. Type in the school postcode and then select your child's school from the list. Then enter the same email address that is on your child's school record and tap Sign Up. Look out for your one-time passcode in your emails, then enter it to verify yourself. Finally, create a password that meets the minimum requirements listed. Now you can log in for the first time using the email address and password that you set. Enter a PIN number you would like to use and confirm it. You may be asked if you would like to use biometrics to log in. If you would, follow the steps on your device to activate it. Now you're all set up and ready to use the MCAS app.